At a press briefing held on 28 September, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, CONRAD SANGMA, informed the media that many points had been discussed with regards to the Election Commission's forthcoming by-elections model code of conduct, especially in East KHASI Hills. On being asked about candidates to be fielded by the NPP, CONRAD SANGMA said that there has been a list of names that have been approved, of which the president of the party, Dr. W.R. KHARLUKHI, would be making an announcement later in the evening of September 28.
So we have to be slightly careful and I want to make sure that we don't come into any kind of thing with the election code of conduct. So there are some important decisions we took, but it's not necessary that I need to explain the whole thing right now. Because we have asked the departments to give us more details on those decisions. But because of the election code of conduct, I don't feel appropriate for me to mention those points because they will be directly in conflict and in the interest here in East KHASI Hills area. So that's my issue. We will be having a meeting, and we will be finalizing and approving the candidates. Some of the candidate list has already been approved. I think the president must have released it by now. If not, then by today evening, the names of the candidates will be released from the party side. But I think it's not appropriate to talk about the party issue on this platform. So I hope we can avoid election conduct questions.
It may be mentioned that the announcement of the date for the by-elections to the 13 Maurinkneng, 24th Mauplang and 47 Rajabala constituencies by the Election Commission is 30th October 2021, while the date for counting has been scheduled for the 2nd of November this year.